Let's evaluate k-mean algorithm mathematically. So let me, I'm taking the same example which I taken in Excel case. So these are my data points which I am taking. So let me note it down in Notepad. I'll put it on my Python thereafter. 2, 4, 10, 12, 3, 20, 30, 11 and 25. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. So I'm taking how many numbers are there? 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers are there. So I'm taking it as a normal case. So I'm creating one data frame. I'll name it df1. I'll say df. Oh, sorry, pd not data frame. I'm creating one base column for making 2 dimension. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I'm putting my actual values, which is x2. So this is my data frame. So 3, 3, 8, okay, 9. So this is my data frame, which I'll be using for my k-mean. So this is I can take it as a x also. So I'm going for k-mean. I'll say k and clusters would be my 2 because I'm creating 2 clusters only. So I'm fitting it on df1 base पे. Then I'll predicting it dm dot predict df1. See. So first, second, third, fourth values are with first cluster, or you can say second cluster, depending on your case. And my clusters, or you can say centroids, are 25 and 7. The same I am getting it here. You say last, wherever my mean is same, 7 and 25 is my cluster centroids, which is giving me same output. If you can refer this in 7, we are having these values. In 25, I am having these values. So if you want to confirm that 25 case, so we are vice versa having respective values. Group 1, group 2, depending on your case, you can take a call which was your group 1 and group 2. In group 0, if you see this, these values are there. So if you want to verify, so let me hold it in a AR. So I'll say np.where AR equal to 0. NP is not there with me. Let me import numpy. So these are the location where I'm getting. So if I refer my x values, let me take my x value in an array so I can get confirmation. So I say AR1 np.array, and I'm verifying first group values, which is with 4 values, which is greater than. So it is what showing me only 2 keywords argument to accept it. So let me see what is this. So let me change it to. Let me take first array. This list has been wrongly entered. So fine. Now I am having this array with me. So I am evaluating this array for my where case. I say where my AR, which is nothing but this my predicted value, equal to 0, which is pertaining to my first group, which are 25. This is my location. I'm verifying which values are belong to this 0th column. So I say np or AR bracket mein. Then we are saying these are the values which are belong to my 25th group. So if you verify here, these are the only group values which is pertaining to this group. Similarly, you can verify for 1. It's your second group. Say group of 25 and group of 7. That's the same which you are taken in Excel. So we can hence prove that this calculation which you are doing in an Excel is pretty same which currently this algorithm is doing.